Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best indoor plants for low light that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below, so let's get started with the video. Starting our countdown at number 5, we have the Oxalis Triangularis 10 bulbs by Hands DIY. These bulbs produce stunning purple shamrocks that can thrive in low light conditions, making them a unique decorative choice for any indoor space. The plant actively grows and flowers from fall to spring, bringing a pop of color during the cooler months. It's low maintenance, requiring only partial sunlight and occasional watering when the soil starts to dry out. If you're someone who enjoys seasonal plants with minimal upkeep, this might be a good option. However, while the aesthetic appeal is undeniable, the Oxalis Triangularis bulbs come with some drawbacks. The lifespan and growth consistency can be hit or miss, as reflected in customer reviews, which give this product a modest 2.9-star rating. Additionally, this product lacks any built-in lighting or growth-enhancing features, so you'll need to rely on external conditions or supplemental grow lights to ensure healthy growth. Overall, these bulbs are ideal for those looking for seasonal charm and effortless decor, but they aren't suitable for those seeking a more reliable, year-round growing solution. Pros include their striking appearance and low maintenance requirements, while cons include variability in growth results and limited functionality as a standalone indoor plant option. At number 4, we have the Briignite LED grow light bulbs, a solid choice for anyone looking to elevate their indoor plant care game. These bulbs boast a full-spectrum design that mimics natural sunlight, with a pleasant 4000K white hue that integrates seamlessly into your home's aesthetic. Each bulb delivers an impressive 1000 lumens using only 11 watts, making it both energy efficient and bright enough to promote healthy plant growth. The E26 base ensures easy installation, and with a ppf output of 25 micromoles per second, your plants get all the light they need to thrive. Where these bulbs excel is in their practicality. Unlike typical grow lights that emit harsh purple or red tones, Briignite bulbs provide natural lighting that doesn't disrupt your space's ambiance. They're particularly well-suited for leafy greens, herbs, and seed starting. However, the fixed bulb design means you'll need a compatible fixture, and they lack adjustable features like timers or dimming options. In summary, the Briignite LED grow light bulbs are perfect for users who want an easy-to-use, energy-efficient solution for smaller plants and seed-starting setups. Pros include their natural light appearance, energy savings, and high-quality build, while cons include the lack of adjustable features and fixture dependency. Coming in at number 3, we have the Yadoker Plant Grow Light, a compact and versatile solution designed for small indoor plants. This light features a warm, natural full spectrum that's easy on the eyes and helps plants flourish in low-light environments. What sets this product apart is its innovative stake design that fits directly into your planter, eliminating the need for clamping or external fixtures. The adjustable height and built-in timer, which offers 8, 12, and 16-hour cycles, make it highly user-friendly and adaptable to different plant types and growth stages. The aluminum shell ensures efficient heat dissipation, making the lamp safe to touch and durable over time. This light is particularly useful for dark corners, office desks, or spaces where traditional grow light might be too bulky or intrusive. However, with a maximum brightness of 900 lumens and a 5-watt power draw, it's best suited for smaller plants rather than larger setups. Overall, the Yadoker Plant Grow Light is an excellent choice for those seeking a stylish, space-saving, and beginner-friendly grow light. Pros include its ease of installation, adjustable height, and compact design, while cons are its limited brightness and suitability for smaller plants only. At number 2, we have the Yadoker LED Growing Light for larger indoor plants. This 2-pack grow light offers full-spectrum lighting, including white, warm white, red, and blue LEDs to support all stages of plant growth. The height-adjustable poles extend up to 61 inches, making it ideal for taller plants or larger setups. With 10 brightness settings ranging from 10% to 100%, you can customize the light intensity based on your plant's needs. The 13-foot cord adds flexibility, allowing you to use the light in hanging planters or far corners without needing extension cords. The built-in timer simplifies operation with 8, 12, and 16-hour cycles, while the durable aluminum shell ensures longevity and effective heat dissipation. However, assembly is required, and its minimalist design may not blend seamlessly into every decor style. Additionally, with its 10-watt power draw and brightness of 1500 lumens, it's better suited for medium to large plants rather than smaller ones. In conclusion, this yadoker LED growing light is a fantastic option for users with larger plants or more extensive indoor gardens. Pros include its adjustable height, full-spectrum lighting, and energy-efficient design, while cons are its assembly requirements and slightly industrial aesthetic. Finally, at number 1, we have the GooingTop LED Grow Light, a premium choice for indoor plants. This clip-on lamp delivers 6000K full-spectrum lighting that closely replicates natural sunlight, with 10 red and 74 white LEDs offering a soft, flicker-free glow. The flexible gooseneck and sturdy clamp allow you to position the light at the optimal angle for your plants, making it highly versatile. The built-in timer with 4, 8, and 12-hour settings offers convenience, while the 5-level dimmable function lets you adjust brightness to suit your plant's growth needs. With a low power draw of just 10 watts, this grow light is incredibly energy efficient, costing approximately $2 per month in electricity if used for 12 hours daily. Its compact design and high compatibility make it perfect for tabletop plants, mini gardens, or tight spaces. Additionally, the lamp doubles as a reading light, adding extra utility to your purchase. The GooingTop LED Grow Light also comes with a 365-day warranty and excellent customer service support, ensuring peace of mind. This product is ideal for both beginners and experienced gardeners looking for a reliable, adjustable, and space-saving grow light. Pros include its high efficiency, versatility, and robust build, while cons are limited to its slightly higher upfront cost compared to simpler models. All in all, this is the best option for low-light indoor plants in 2025. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.